NDETOINI ITHIITE aigi magicurania haria wiyathi wa ndini ubatie gukinya na kana hihi ni kwagirire mawatho ma kunyabara makanitha. Riu namba ya MIIRI iria ithikuritio TUBURI-INI MUGUNDA-INI wa SHAKAHOLA ikiambatira nginya 60. President William Ruto nierekereirie murugamo wake.
Even the religious sector, people who are masquerading as religious people, yet what they do is contrary to the teachings and to the beliefs of religion, whether they are Christians, Muslim, or indeed any other religion.
Ategutukania ciugo ciake, mutongoria wa bururi ugite Mackenzie afatie kuhingirwo NJERA-INI na gutire ngurani gatagati gake na Gitoi.
People like Mr. Mackenzie are using religion to do exactly the same thing. I want to say that the government of Kenya and I have instructed the agencies responsible to take up the matter and to get to the root cause and to the bottom of the activities of people who want to use religion to advance weird, unacceptable ideology.
Witikio wa kanitha wa Mackenzie wathingataga arumiriri yake meimekuria na kunyua na mwihoko wa gukinya matuine. President Ruto akihita gukinyukiria ikinya aria marahuthira ndini kwagarara gatiba.
Any religious group that preaches against the tenets of the Constitution, any religious institution that teaches against seeking medical attention or going to school, those responsible should be prosecuted.
Gukiri ugwo atongoria MWENA-INI ya Azimio ni makuithitie thirikari murigo wa ikwirie ciandikithitio makiuga ni maremetwo ni kugitira muingi.
Sasa mapolisi wote kama itakuwa kazi yao ni kuondolewa katika kazi zao na kwenda kushika watu ambao wana demonstrate, ndio maana leo hii matatizo kama haya yanatukumba sisi kama watu wa Kenya.
Now because there were no orders from above, nobody cared what a clearly deranged church minister in quotes was doing with his victims.
Magitongorio ni mutongoria wa ARIA nini bunge-ini ya bururi Opiyo Wandayi hamwe na mutongoria wa ARIA nini bunge-ini ya Senate Stuart Mazayo atongoria aya mugite ikwishi ni ngirarigiririo korwo maabitha a ugitiri marari sheba riu makiendekithia mawatho makiria ma kunyabara ikundi cia ndini bururi-ini.
Ni nani huyo aliendeleza kile kitendo mpaka mama amefika sehemu ile ya kwamba anataka kufa? Hakuna mtetezi yote amejitokeza ama huyo aliyefanya kitendo hicho kujitokeza.
What happened clearly in Kilifi is callous, painful and wrong. We believe it could have been prevented. We believe God allowed it to unravel in order to expose our hypocrisy as a nation.
Minister wa ugitiri wa thini Kithure Kindiki nieregerirwo gugekinya mugunda-ini wa SHAKAHOLA muthenya wa rucio uhotekeku wa mere makiria guthikurio ugitanywo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.